चलो, आर यू रेडी? आर यू रेडी? बिल्कुल. गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. वेरी गुड. तो टुडे इज ए डिस्कशन what is science first, and after that what is your opinion about science. Science is beliefs or curse. Okay, are you ready? Yes sir. Very good. तो चलिए हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं और we discuss first 4 lines. That is I am the best. हाथ ऊपर उठा के बोलना है. I am the best. I am the best. If I can do. If I can do. I am the best. I am the best. If I can do. Because you are the best. Because you are the best. Very good. Sit down all of you. First of all, good morning all of you and my viewers. Today is very happier day of your life. It is the spoken class which you are going to participants in this class. Thank you all of you for the all participants. So first of all you have to speak about what is science. The first is 2 groups. First is science is belief, second is science is curse. So as you know that science is both bliss and curse. All the students has own opinions and what will be speak about the science is bliss and curse. चलिए हम लोग चलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के ओपिनियन जानने के लिए. फर्स्ट इज पुनीता कुमारी. स्टैंड अप एंड स्पीक अबाउट साइंस.
Good morning everyone. I am Punita Kumari. I belong to Rambari. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I am the student of class BA. Today I am very glad to say something about science's place. Science has revolutionized. It has our life very easy and comfortable. Modern age is an age of science. If with the help of science, we can not live without the help of science. Science has given us many strange things. Electricity is one of the greatest scientific inventions. It is very useful for us in everyday life. It is source of energy. Electric heaters, washing machine, mobile phones are some inventions of science. We can remove darkness of our house and streets. Science has greater miracle in the field of health and medicine. Science given us speedy means of transport. We can travel easily to distant place in no time. Thus we save time. Today we have already landed on the moon. Farmers also apply science in the field of agriculture. Now they apply science in the field of agriculture. Now they use modern scientific methods of bluffing. Today we have robots. They can do everything like human beings. Science had also some bad sides. It's invented dreadful things, deadly weapons, wars, and atom bombs. It can cause large-scale killing in no time and destruction in no time. Science should not be used destructive purposes. It should be used welfare for the mankind. It has played vital role in removing superstitions from society. It has helped us to developed objective outlook. So we can say that science is a boon to mankind because its inventions provides happiness and comfort. Thank you.
Thank you Punita for giving your opinion about science. She has both science is boon and ban. It means bliss and curse. Who is in one-sided, science is bliss. So what is her opinion? Let's see.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sugam Kumari, my respected principal teacher, and all my dear friends. Today, I am very glad to get a chance to say something about science is bliss. Modern age is the age of science and technology. Science-free development, discover, advance have improved human comfort. The knowledge of science has helped man to discover secret. The nature of science has changed man life forever. Science has revolutionized our way of living. Several sacrificed inventions such as electricity, means of communication, means of transfer, computer, internet, mobile, etc. have improved material for the well-being of our human society. Modern means of transportation the world a smaller place. Science is useful. Science is very important subject. Science is safe us for life. So everything is made by science. Brush is made by science. Train is made by science. Bus is made by science, etc. So that science is everything is made by science. Science is very, very important subjects. Thank you.
So great speaking. No problem. Science is bliss in the every field and every area according to Sugam Kumari. Next,
Today I am excited to say something about science is bliss. Science is useful. Science has revolutionized our way of living. Several scientific inventions such as electricity, means of communications, means of transport, watch, mobile, fan, etc. have improved material well-being of the human society. Modern means of transportation have made by the world a smaller place. Science is important. Science has done greater miracle. It is health and medicine. It is helping us to diagnose fat and many fatal other diseases. Greater disease output. Agriculture and economic development are other gifts of science to the mankind. Science keep us. Science is good in my life. Science is very important. Science is made by brush, toothpaste, electricity, aeroplane, bus, etc. Science is live without science. We can without science. Science is very important. We should respect science. Science is blessed for us. Thank you so much.
very good speaking. But before speaking, don't react such as. Okay? Yes. So third is Mr. Mukesh Kumar. Stand up. And what is your opinion about science?
Yes, first of all, good morning, sir, and good morning, friends, everybody. Today I am very glad because sir who gave me the golden chance to speak over here. So really I am very, very happy, and thankful to sir who called me to participate this GD class. So today is two topics: science is a bless and science is a curse. But I am a favor of science is a curse. In my opinion, you can say, in my thought, science is a curse real, because science is made by many things, such as you can say, such as science is made by box, but box is not a actual benefit. I mean that, in my opinion, a box is gives us you can say pollution, noise for dhoni pollution. So this is not a good actual theme is science made by. So in my opinion, science is made by many themes, such as science by made as vehicles. There are many vehicles, bus, track, and train, aeroplane, etc. Many, but I think not every people's in the world like all full benefit like bus. I mean that bus give us the like pollution, right? Noise pollution, such as our environment day by day increases like polluted. So this is not a good reality of science. Yeah, like science is made by mobile, but mobile is I know very well, you know also students, all students very well, mobile is a very useful theme in our life. Without mobile can't anything possible, I mean that in a day. So mobile is a very useful, but I mean that 50% students use of mobile wrong direction in my opinion, such as some percent students use of mobile such as right direction, and students life is a very important. Some students use of mobile only for sector of education line, but otherwise I mean that in my opinion some students use of mobile wrong way, like there are many wrong website available on Chrome and Google Play Store. So I think in my view, in my opinion, there are I have many friends, but that friend use of not a mobile good way, I think. So that's why I have experienced really science is not a blessing. Science is a real curse. 100% I can say science is a curse. Science is a curse. Thanks for. That's it.
Very good, very good. Very good. Science is a curse. It is proved by Mr. Mukesh Kumar. So anybody else after that, after the speech, I can say that. Now the next participants is Mrs. Khushbu Kumari. Speak. What is your opinion about science?
Good morning all of you, my respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Khushbu Kumari. I belong to ASO. I read in class 6th from middle school Katwara Ghat. Today I am very glad to get a chance to say something about science is blessed. Modern age is the age of science and technology. Scientific discoveries and inventions have encouraged human comforts. The knowledge of science has helped man to discover the secrets of nature have of the changed man's life forever. Science is useful in my life. Science has revolutionized our way of living. Several scientific inventions have such as electricity, means of communication, means of transport, computers, internet, etc. In-house have everything made by science, have improved material well-being of the transportation. Human society, toothpaste made by science. We can't live without science. Science is very important. Modern means of transportation have palace made a greater scientist in my life. Thank you so much.
Very good. A speech by Khushbu Kumari about science. Science is bliss. Very good in everything. Science is bliss really. And the third is Mrs. Aparna Kumari. Speak. What is your opinion about science?
Good morning all of you. My name is Aparna Kumari, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friend. Today I am very glad I speak a chance to speak something. Science is curse. Each of the blessings of science bang side to it a curse. Its science is natural weapons are daily day in order to whip last of properly. Science make as less science in our life. Science is dangerous in our life. There are about in the road accident. Thanks.
Wow, very That's a super example who is given by Aparna Kumari. That's in the road accident sciences course. Very good. Just like an example, bus, train, and many of other traveling journey which used to travel. Okay, that's is curse because it's an road accident. Many people dies in the accident. Okay, and third participant is next participant is Mrs. Gunja Kumari. What is your opinion about science? Speak.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Gunja Kumari. I belong to ASO. As far as educational qualification is concerned, I am the student class 8 from Middle School Katwara Ghat. Today I speak about science's place. Modern age is the age of science and technology. Scientific discoveries and inventions have encouraged to man comforts. The knowledge of science has helped man to discover and the secrets of nature and changed man's life forever. Science has revolutionized our way of living. Several scientific inventions such as electricity, means of communication, means of transport, internet, etc. have improved material well-being of the human society. Modern means transportation have made the world a smaller place of Science has done greater miracle in the field of health and medicine. It has helped us to diagnose and fight many diseases. Greater industrial output, agriculture, and economic development are gifts of science. The mankind thanks.
Very good. It is really science has miracle in the field of health, wealth, and medicine as well as agriculture also. Very good. The opinion of Gunja Kumari is very good. And next participant is Mrs. Chandni Kumari. What is her opinion? What is science?
Good morning, all of you. My name is Chandni Kumari. My respected principal, all my dear friends. Today I am very glad to get a chance something about science is curse. Each of the blessings of science has a dark side to it. A curse. Its dangerous technology, nuclear weapons, deadly enough to waste large population. Material well-being has led to materialism, or consumer culture. Big factories are industry as have a water or air polluted. Computers and internet are big used to in crimes. Science is dangerous. Our life science is lazy. Industry are inclined in employment as machines are replacing human labor. So modern satisfied progresses as advantage, and this day advantage. Thanks.
Very good. Very good. Science is miracle, no problem. But science is curse, it is also no problem. Yeah, science is also curse. Just as Chandni says that science polluted the water due to the factories, due to the industries. So guys, next participants is Mr. Abhishek Kumar. Stand up on your seat. Very good. What is your opinion? Speak.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Abhishek Kumar. As far as qualification and concerned, I am the student class 10th from High School Harinagar. Science is important all over the world. Science is important all over the world. Science about to use science is all over the world. We all know that we have gathered here on the very special of science. We live in gaze of science. science. It have we live in the science. And science all use and the science TV and computer and laptop, all thing is science. Science is useful and all over the world. Thank you.
Very good, very good, very good. Abhishek says science is used all over the world, just like laptop, mobile and computers and many of other things which is used in the daily life from the people. Very good. Science is useful according to Abhishek Kumar.